If you're a fan of high-speed action, tire-shredding burnouts, and record-breaking passes, then you already know that Lancaster Speedway is a drag racing hotspot. But what's coming in 2025? This season is shaping up to be the biggest in Lancaster's history, with new events, major track upgrades, and fierce rivalries that will push racers to their limits. Lancaster Speedway has always been a legendary quarter mile in the heart of New York's racing scene, with a mix of bracket racing, heads-up grudge matches, and some of the wildest streetcar shootouts. This track has earned its reputation as a must-visit venue for racers and fans alike. But with the 2025 season just around the corner, what changes are coming, and what can we expect from the competition this year? First, let's talk about the track itself. Over the years, racers have been pushing for better track prep and resurfacing, and Lancaster Speedway has listened. In early 2025, the track is getting a freshly treated surface, which means better grip, faster ETs, and fewer traction issues. If you've ever watched a run go sideways due to a slick spot, this update is going to change the game. But what about the event schedule? This year, the track is expanding its race nights, bringing in more national-level events alongside local grudge matches. The IHRA Summit Super Series is back, featuring some of the best bracket racers in the country, while the Pro Mod Shootout is adding even more firepower to the lineup. And for the streetcar crowd, Lancaster is introducing a new Street King class, where racers can battle it out for bragging rights and big cash payouts. One of the biggest rumors for the 2025 season is the possibility of electric drag racing making its way to Lancaster. With EV dragsters already breaking into the 6-second range, could we see a class dedicated to Tesla Plaids, Rivians, and purpose-built electric drag cars? Some say it's inevitable, while others argue that nothing beats the sound of a screaming V8 on the quarter mile. Either way, expect some experimental EV action this season as more racers test the waters. Let's talk about local legends and rivalries. Every year we see a few racers dominate the lanes, but 2025 is looking more competitive than ever. Last season we saw some insane matchups in Outlaw 10.5 and Pro Mod, and the rivalries are already heating up. Will we see another record-breaking pass at Lancaster this year? Some say it's possible with the track improvements, but only time will tell. Now, what does this mean for the racing community and fans? If you're a racer, it means you need to bring your A-game this season. With bigger events, faster competition, and better track conditions, there's never been a better time to test your setup. If you're a fan, expect more action-packed race nights, bigger crowds, and some of the most exciting side-by-side battles Lancaster has ever seen. So, what do you think? Will 2025 be the season where we see new records set, fresh rivalries take over, and the rise of electric drag racing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates on Lancaster Speedway's wildest season yet.